Holding up here at the 37s. She wants it. Need that big boner candle right through the 50s. Back to the VWAP. We're just waiting for, I want to get his break, man. Get you break to the 50s. Oh, she's getting tight. Getting real tight. Real tight right here, boys. NASDAQ trying to make a move through the 50s. If we don't move through the 50s, I delete my YouTube channel right now. I'll delete my YouTube channel right now. Fuck. Damn it, it didn't go.
Hello, test 1 2 3. I guess this is live now. Trading the Donchian Channel. This is Trader Tate. Turtle trading. I normally take maybe 1 to 3 trades a day on average. Sometimes only 2. On my strategy this morning, which I'm kind of tired. I took some trades this morning. Trading the Donchian Channel here. Took 2 losses. Right here at 1:46 in the morning. I went long. Got stopped out. About hour later when the London market opened. Ended up going short a little bit later, but then some European market news hit and tried to go short there and ended up stopping us out almost immediately. So I got 2 losses, down 600 in my prop eval, and I'm down 400 in my PA, trading the NASDAQ futures. So here we go, and we're going. There's the today's open, and here we are right now. So here's the high and the low of the Donchian channel. You get the low at 19,811 and the high at 19,992. The median's at 19,900. So what are we looking between there? We need a 190 point move either way. Is our channel. But if we break the low or the high of this, then we'll take our trade for a continuation trend in either direction. What we like to see is when it compresses, like it did here this morning at 9:30, but there was no continuation on this downtrend to make a large trend. As you can see, there's support there and it bounced back up. So now we're in a median range. Nasdaq's down 40 points. Maybe in the future I'll trade some Bitcoin, micro Bitcoin futures live. Those are fun. Tomorrow we got some, or later on today we got some news. European ECB President Lagarde speaks. Tonight we got some monetary policy meetings from Australia. And then in the London session, you got the European core CPI flash and the CPI estimates tomorrow. Then you got Lagarde speaking again tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Then you got Fed Chair Powell speaking tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. And then you got some job openings, an economic indicator at 10 a.m. So that's from the rest of this day really affecting the U.S. market. But tomorrow we got some impact news with Lagarde and Fed Powell speaking at the same time. And then 30 minutes later we got some JOLTS job opening news. Right about now, between now and noon, 11:30 a.m. and noon is when the London market usually closes out their books. Then you're going to see the U.S. market go into like lunchtime, and then we might not see nothing happen for another hour or so. For a late day trend, we'll see what happens. Need to break these lines up here, which we're getting close. 40 points is nothing on the NASDAQ. There's the overnight open, this gold bar. We got the overnight high right here, 20,222. So we're sitting right there. This is only my second stream ever, man, so bear with me. And I'm trying to learn how to trade too. This new system I've been back testing for about the past month and a half. I did get a PA, performance account with Apex using this system, and I got another PA. I trade prop firms. I got another one that I'm nursing back to help that I almost blew doing a reversal. Like I saw the market, being oversold or something, I would take the reverse trend. Got some PAs that way. So this one I almost blew with that. So I'm trying to trend trade because it's real slow. If it breaks one way or the other, then I take that trade. I don't trade any of this in between channel crap. I've blown a lot of PAs, lost a lot of money that way. So I'm just trying to trend trade. If this goes one direction, I'll go, okay, we're going to go in. Place our stop, and we're going for a big gain. So going for like 1 to 5, 1 to 6 ratio. We're going big. None of this 1 to 2, 1 to 1 type stuff. But we win like 4 out of 10, 4 out of 15 times, so we make our money back and then some. It's just like the turtle traders, and just like Larry Williams doing the Donchian Channel. You can take a lot of trades, or not a lot of trades. You might take a lot of losers, but those wins gonna make up on those losses. But we're doing it day trading style. So I'm only might take 1 to 3 trades a day. There's higher time frames here. You got the 15-minute on the left, 5-minute on the right. You can see the 15-minute Donchian channel coming down right here. Coming down. That's good. Get some compression. Not coming down as fast on the 5-minute yet, but let's see we're approaching there. I really don't pay that much attention to the LW Larry Williams trade index down here when trading this. I pay attention more or less on the 2-minute. I like for this to get 75 on the index here. It's what I like. 75 or greater to take a trade. Right now we're at 57, 56, 58. Volume's decreasing and price is going up, so it's a little divergence there. But we like to see price break this average marker when we move up too. So we got 3 contrarians that we like to happen. Break the channel, be above 75, and our volume be above the average here. To go long. Go short, we want it to be 6 or lower. Yeah, as you saw me, I was just changing the strategy. When I'm in a trade, I'm looking 57 ticks on the stop. I'm looking for 300 ticks on the take profit. 57 is kind of a weird number, but that's what I measured out on several of my back tests. 57 was hot. I mean, I looked at 42 is a common for a lot of people, and I looked at 67, 70. But trying to avoid drawdown, a lot of drawdown, especially the trailing drawdown. When you use prop firms, they like to have trail drawdown. So it seemed like 57.6 was a good number. Plus my lucky number 7. I think my wife's lucky number is 5. No, her number is 4. But I like number 5 too. 5 is a good racing number. 57. Heinz 57 sauce. That's what we're going to call it. Looks like 960's got some resistance up here. Looks like what came support is now resistance on the 2-minute. That's what I'm trading. 5-minute also looks like might bust through there. We're creeping up there, and the LWTI is slowly creeping up there too. We could be taking along. Let's see what happens. Just checking my eBay. I got some old comics I'm selling, like Spider-Man 252, Marvel Superheroes, Secret Wars, Wolverine, and some others. Sold Punisher. I gotta mail that out. Pretty cool comic. Punisher series here. Sold them for 85 bucks. I gotta package them up real nice. Get them out. Can't take them with me, so I'm just getting rid of them. Punisher's kind of cool. You like Crime and Punishment? That's a good series. Don't know why I didn't collect more Spider-Man. I only got one Amazing Spider-Man comic book. That's number 252. That's whenever he was succumbed by the black costume Venom, and he came back from the Secret Wars as a first appearance. I only got one of those. I don't know why I didn't collect more. That's crazy. I only got one. I like Spider-Man. I got Marvel Tales, Spectacular, Spider-Man Peter Parker, Marvel Team-Ups. Only one Amazing. Jesus Christ. Well, the Donchian Channel just went down, so we're getting a little compression here. That's good. We get in a trade. I'm down 600 on the day, so I'll show you my P&L on the day here. We'll go to properties. It'll tell me my cumulative. So I'm down 590. My strategy today, so I'll get real with it. And I'm trading a 250k eval on this, so I'll be back. I'm gonna make me a smoothie. It's gonna take a lot. We're at 63 right now on the LWTI. I got enough to make smoothie because we won't get in unless that's over 75. So it's just been creeping up. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 10 minutes. It's only going up 4 points. So I got that. Man, look at that volume. Just, man, that's crazy. Just, but, I mean, how would you trade this? We got as low as 14, 13. And that's 100 points right there. 100 points up, 100 points down. 150 up. Watch this candle here. You know, I like to record myself in these trades because then I go back and I watch myself of what I'm thinking about as this is occurring. Because you're like, sometimes you'll make a trade and go, "What were you thinking?" So, I mean, if you're talking to yourself and you're watching the market move and you're recording yourself doing it, it's like a journal. So it's real like a video journal. It's pretty cool. Did my first one last week and I watched it a couple of times. Didn't take any trade because nothing set up for me. So, on this strategy. Like for it to hit that, not make us get in, with our criteria, break it, reject, and then take it. I think the second attempt would be a little bit stronger than the first. Unless we just start getting a bunch of glide right off the beginning. We can go all the way up to 2072, 2080, way up there. Maybe 100. I mean, NASDAQ likes for big round numbers. See, there we go. We're at 70 down here on the index, and volume just broke above that average. So if that was at 75, and it broke that, we'd be in a so. And the NASDAQ's flat. What was the NASDAQ? The NASDAQ was up, what, 40 points overnight? No. 27? Or no, we're break even here. 6.9 to 20. Yeah, 50 points it was up, so. Overnight. Okay, we're at noon. People are at lunch or coming back from lunch. And I just got a smoothie. So you can just tell by the movement of the candles. I mean, there's a lot of action going up and down. You can tell the movement of the candles. This is the first most active candle we got. I used to trade ticks before. None of this strategy. This strategy is time-based. 2 minutes. Hmm. Those are our break points. Phew. Trying to think of this pattern. I mean, it looks like a cup or a saucer, but 5 minute looks like a cup. Yeah, this did that's like a broken handle there. It looks like a cup, but trying to figure out what this pattern is. But it's like 300 points off the high there. Our Donchian channel right now is at the top of the 15-minute open range right here. This is the 15-minute open range of the NYSE right here. This is the top of the range right here. So you might have had a bunch of people going short right at the damn open. And boom, we just broke that. Let's see where that puts us. Man, let's go on. I don't know if it's going to be enough to get us over the 75 down here. We're at 71. Got 2 minutes left. Or 30 seconds left in this candle. Volume's not even up there. Look at that. This candle. There's no volume. Let's see what the volume is on this one. See if we're going to be in. No, we're at 72. That's a lot of volume. We need this to be at 75. But we're not taking the trade. So we got a break. Maybe we'll get this retracement and then we'll go come back and then break it again. That's our best volume in the last 2 hours. I mean, if you think about it, the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange, when people trade stocks, the trading hours are only what, 6.5 hours long? If not even that. Well, you got 4 hours, noon to 4. That's 4. Then you got 9.5, 9:30 to noon, 2.5, 6.5 hours. And that's the best volume. So. Man, if this breaks, and then we can get our 300 ticks. That's doable. Seems like it's doable. 300 ticks, 75 points on the NASDAQ. And I said we could probably get up here. That'd be good. Be a nice little trade. This isn't moving up. Now what we might see is the lower Donchian channel start to move up because I'm basing it off 80 periods. So as our trend has moved up, then these are based on averages. You're going to see this start to move upward as well because you're already seeing the median move up a little bit. So our lower is going to start to move up pretty soon. This was at 1 right here, and it went down, moved up a little bit, and then just kind of flatlined. It moves with the averages, so it creates a channel. So we don't want to trade the chop in between. We're trading the trend here. First trade, it takes a long time for something to happen, but when we're in the trade, we're in it and slow go. Come on, what you giving us? What you giving us? Need a buck 35 on this. Did that break? Yeah, I did break that one. See if we're gonna take this or not. We're getting close. Oh man, that hit 75. Oh, our volume was down. We didn't have a good volume on that last move. We need some confirmation. We need some volume. We might end up taking this up here at the freaking high of the day. Bitcoin's starting to move. Yeah, I want to see a big, powerful move, Lonely. Don't do no fake sin and stuff. I want some big volume to come in. We're at 76, but we're not getting no volume here. Everything's met. We broke our Donchian channel for a trend, but we're not getting no volume to take a trade. I mean, we could have took a trade down here, but it didn't meet our, we weren't above 75. That's what I like to be at. I mean, we got trends forming up here on the 15 and the 5 minute. If you look at the 15 and the 5 minute, our trade index is increasing, which is good. So we're still at 64 and 56. All we gotta do is break a tick above this. If we get 2019 and some volume, man, we can go. We'll get in. We're right there at the high. Let's see if this trend continues. Supposed to just dies here. We're at the high. The double top. See, look at that. 7 million to break above that. We're just now get back there. Look at that, still increasing. Our index is, but the volume is not moving. We could come back all the way down here to the overnight open down here, and then maybe we move. But if that happens, then our trade index indicator could freaking dip down, and we just never even get in a trade because it can't recover. Seen that happen. This might be it. Look at that candle forming. This might be our entry point. It's forming. There could just be a double top and tank. We'll see. If it breaks our current high, we're going to look to make a new high on that at maybe 20,100. Oh, it's good. We just never broke it. Never broke it. We broke it a little bit, but just there's no momentum. Maybe if it comes down a little bit, and then we can break it back up. The only thing is if we retrace and then go back up, our trades index down there, might not recover with it. So therefore we wouldn't take a trade. They were at 80, we just dipped down a point and a half on that dip. Before we get a reversal candle. That's, we got one big leg up, a down, a kind of a reversal. Then we got 1, 2. We're above the EMA, so that's a good sign. Still trending up. 5 and 15 minutes starting to look weak on this little pullback here. See, even though that was an up candle, our index still went down a point. Got an alert on eBay. See if I sold something. No, I probably didn't sell something because usually it goes cha-ching. No, they're sending me an offer. Just something I looked at. I don't want to buy nothing. I want you to buy my stuff. And no glass door. I don't want a job. I got one. Let's see, we might be in a trade here if it breaks on this. Nope. Come on, man. Like teetering right there. See what's going to happen there. Can't rush it. We broke this one. If we get some good volume, we'll be in a trade. If we don't, we're not in it. Man, come on. Look at that. Can't break that average. This might do it. Follow through. That was a crazy candle. The big ass wick on that thing. Went all the way down to our cloud here. Touched the bottom of the cloud. Usually that's a good movement indicator. See how these wicks come back down to the cloud on a when they're moving? Hit the hit there. It kind of hit there. This retraced all the way there. I mean, might get some movement back up. Kind of stuck in this range now. Looks like a little bull flag here on the 15-minute here. On this, we got this little cup here, and then we got this little bull flag here. Maybe here too on the 5-minute. Let's see what happens. Just don't want it to take off way ahead of us. It broke the channel again. Broke the top. Get volume, we'll take the trade. It pierced it. I mean, if we get in, then we'll get in at a discount. I just don't want it to come back on us. Yeah, we might take this one. But our average on the volume's going down. So. Nope. Still can't get over that volume. Damn. Or yeah, EMA is turning red, so this might be a top. Maybe we'll just be like this till 1 o'clock. I don't know. Finally get some volume above the average, but the average has been decreasing, but we're not breaking a new high, which we need to break that new high on some volume. Man, it's crazy, just gliding right across the top. Here we go. Looks like it's wanting to push. Need a big push. I just hope it don't peter out. Couple of ticks. I think it broke it. Yeah, we might be in here. Oops. Nope. Damn, look at that volume. It can't push above this volume. I don't know if this thing's just gonna fucking die or... Man, it's been a long 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Just gliding. No volume. Ever since we've been at 75, no volume for that push. Our lower channel still hasn't moved up, which it should be pretty soon, you would think. Two and a half hours. 2-minute bars. Should see a move up pretty soon in the next couple bars. Next bar, 1 to 3 bars, should see this move up. Already we're about 77 bars, and my Donchian Channel settings are 80. Wow, last 40 minutes about, only 1 bar. It's been 40 minutes since we had one break. Oh, this broke, but we were below 73. We need to be at 75 or greater. Put a peeling off now. Damn. Uh-oh, we might get in this one. Oh man, our index is below 75 now. See what I mean? If it dipped below, this has to pick up here. Just broke the Donchian channel. We need above average volume here, and we need that to be over 75. All right, got 20 seconds to go. See what happens here, if we're in a trade or not. All right, got less than 10 seconds. We're trading the Donchian channel. Let's see if it breaks our index and we get above average volume to go into a trade. Nope, no trade. Still no volume, and man, still didn't hit that. It's crazy. Just gliding. Just like a zombie. There's nothing there. Now we're gonna move. Just broke it again. Keep keep hitting it, hitting it, hitting it, hitting it. We're not breaking through on the confirmation of good volume here. Kind of a retracement candle, but there's no, not moving up. Yeah, now we're just trending down. It's just price is moving up on low volume. Yeah, I don't like that, man. It might just come down like a freaking hammer. Might come down hard later. But I think our Donchian channel finally moved up, like I said. Nope, median line is. Oh no, there it is. I had to go down a little further.